Yo, what's good?
Hey, what's up? I'm struggling a little bit because I've never done this because it's basically I'm sharing from Google Meets. I'm sharing my screen on Google Meets and then I share Google Meets on YouTube. But it's private as of now. Once you're ready, I can make it public.
Oh, it's private right now?
Yeah.
Am I watching the old one? What is this?
Huh?
I went on your YouTube to see if you were live, and it said I saw you on there. But
Oh, that was an old one probably. So
uh,
if I can change it now to public, but who's gonna share the screen? Maybe you can share it. Can you try this sharing your screen? I want to see how it looks when you share
yeah,
the screen.
yeah. One sec. Uh, share my trade evade or no, my trading view. Where's that button? Here we go. This will let you take over Tim Hutter's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's perfect. All right.
Cool.
Only that I cannot see your picture.
You
So
can't see me.
no, I cannot see you. It's so strange. But I'm gonna cover up my camera anyways. I hate being
I
watched
was
like this.
I was thinking about doing the same too. I just want to have my chart and the voice. I mean, I don't mind keeping it, but
No.
um, yeah, if it's not showing, I don't know what's up with that.
All right. Yeah, but that's all right. I'm gonna go live now. I'm gonna make an announcement, and then I'm gonna cover up the camera. Uh,
All right, sounds good, bro.
how do I?
I'll post on my story too.
Okay, okay.
Oh wait, I'm not even on live on YouTube. I forgot.
Oh yeah, go live on YouTube.
I gotta set that up. Let's
Have
see.
Yeah, we have to get used to it.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot. This is gonna be kind of difficult because I only have one screen, so um, I need to get multiple monitors. It'll be easier.
All right, I'm gonna make an announcement. Boom.
I don't have a thumbnail, nothing. Okay.
I said Spencer J and me are doing live training today on YouTube. We already have two people that joined, and people have to subscribe to the channel in order to comment. I recommend you doing the same. So in order for them to be able to comment, they need to subscribe to the channel.
Okay. Oh boy. Okay, let's see this. Don't need that. Yeah, I don't have a thumbnail. How do you? I need to ask or talk to you about that later.
Yeah, You can do
I've
it
never.
on Canva.
Okay, yeah, I've never done that before. It looks cool though.
Yeah, mine's very ugly, but
And it's just like last minute, whatever.
yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be pretty.
Do you on YouTube? Do you usually click? No, it's not made for kids. On
No,
that.
not for kids.
Okay.
I don't want them to blow their accounts.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh wait. The live chat.
And for the ones that are watching, Spencer trades S&P 500. Me, I trade Nasdaq, but they, they move pretty much the same.
Slow mode. I'm not really sure how this. Okay, got it. Done. Oh my god, my YouTube banner is my old name. I forgot to switch that. Whatever. I'll do that later or tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna really get many views on this.
Yeah, man, we have to get used to this streaming stuff. It's new for us.
I love how YouTube records the whole session though. It's super nice. Cool. All right, we're good to go. Screen share. Boom. All right, got the charts up there. Got it on Google Meet. And now we're good to go. Trade.
Perfect. Now, on your stream on YouTube, does it show your face? Does it show the camera or not?
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
Yeah, it shows my screen, and then I'm on the bottom right corner. So it's kind of nice how it does that. Just layers it.
So maybe let's do a quick analysis before we take any trades.
Yeah, for sure. Well, based off, did you update your contracts to the December? I mean, September. Is it September?
No, it's just called MNQ1.
Okay, because you're on trading view.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, on the Trade of 8 contracts, if you update it, you'll get the updated prices.
Oh, okay.
Because if you're trading the U contracts, it's gonna be like some old prices that are way lower. But yeah, I mean, as far as where we're at right now, ES is at all-time highs. So there's not really much to the upside that I can anticipate. I do think we're going to close green on the day. I think this market's still super strong. And like, I'm just going to look for areas to join the longs, basically somewhere in the Tokyo range, like a pullback into the Tokyo high, and look for some, like a sweep of this low or something. And that's about it, honestly.
What's your take on gap ups? Because there has been a big gap up from yesterday.
Yeah, definitely think that could be a possibility if we. I don't see that happening today, honestly.
No.
A lot of the times, gaps will get filled, immediately the next day. But just based off this contract, this giant ass contract, that gap up's due to the contract switching over.
Oh, that's what I thought, but I wasn't.
So it's not even really, I mean, it is still a gap up, but it's not like a normal one based off like news or something that, really caused price to move like that. So when the gap ups happen after the contracts like switch, typically isn't as, important to go fill immediately, but it still will eventually for the most part. I'm pretty sure the last 3 gap ups or gap downs filled from the contract switches. So I just don't think it's so bullish today. And last week was pretty bullish. Let's see. I have a probabilities calendar. It shows you. That's how the last week I was able to like kind of let you know whether I think we're going to close green or red, just based off probabilities from like every single day.
Mm-hmm.
In the past. I get like a percentage on each day that it tells me like we have like a 60% chance of closing green today or 50%. And basically like, obviously the higher it is, the more probable it is. And that one day I texted you that we're going to close green on the day. It was like the highest percentage of the month. It was like a 60 or 78% probability of closing green. And it ended up closing green. And actually this whole entire month has been spot on with this calendar. Like every single red day and green day was predicted by the calendar. It's pretty crazy.
And which calendar is this?
It's called a probabilities calendar. I have like a specific subscription to this platform in order to get it.
Wow.
I'll send it over. I could just send you like a screenshot of it. Let me see. Yeah, this professional trader, he creates like market mechanic tools and stuff, and this is where I get it from.
But yeah, I definitely know that the market is very controlled by certain dates. I mean,
Yes, it's just like the seasonal stuff.
yeah, like you have tax season, you have the Christmas stuff, and it's yeah, it all aligns.
Yeah, so that day that I told you, I think it was last Wednesday, on the 11th, it had a 76% chance of closing green. Monday, 68% chance of closing green. Thursday, 71% chance, and all 3 of those days were green. And then today, what's today? Tuesday, is a 68% chance of closing green. So that's pretty high. That's a pretty high number. So definitely, if we're seeing a lot of shorts, short-lived, and every dip getting bought up, definitely going to be joining the longs for today.
Yeah, me too. Same on Nasdaq. I'm much more long than short. I'm just waiting for some kind of manipulation to the downside because it just has been pumping up and wicking up. There would have been this perfect entry right after the news release, a 5-minute FU candle, and from there it was it's just too beautiful. From
Did
there,
you take any entries off news?
yeah, but today I didn't. I took one on gold, and it's still.
I took one on ES and took a small loss. I'm like, I tried to get when it popped up, I tried to short it. Or no, actually I shorted it right as news came out. I thought it was gonna drop due to this thing being so extended. I thought I was gonna try and basically, readjust itself and come down, and then maybe sweep this low. So I was just gonna scalp it, but took like a 2-point loss. It was super tiny because I entered and put my stop right above my entry. Wanted it to immediately just drop, and it didn't really do much. Honestly, it didn't. It just took out the high and then came back down.
I just took a gold trade. I had the buy limit below the wick, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Gold. I haven't traded gold in so long. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. I like this setup with the.
Yeah, actually,
Meets. I can see you. I can see your chart. I can see me, and then I got my YouTube with just me in the chart.
oh, you can see my chart.
Yeah, I can see your chart.
Can you see ES now or Nasdaq?
It's very zoomed out. Hold on, let me see. I don't know how do I zoom in on this?
Because I don't see my what I'm sharing.
See the chart with like the long position. Sorry.
The long positions. Oh, okay. Then you see Nasdaq. Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Yeah, I can see you moving around now. It's just I don't know how to blow this up to see it bigger because
Yeah,
I mean I don't really need to. I'm not gonna focus on your chart. But yeah, that's cool though. How much is it? We got 15 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. I want to ask Jake to hop on and see if it's delayed at all.
Yeah, true. The stream might be a little bit delayed.
Trying to see this. We are at literally all time. That's crazy, bro. I was not expecting that to happen that quickly. We had this super nice level on ES used last week, or was that last week? Like the end of August. The 566. I mean, honestly, I gotta mark that because that could be a very. This area was extremely rough resistance. So if we do end up pulling back, if we're not going to fill that gap completely today, that is exactly where we're going to bounce. I guarantee it. So, yeah, I love the 5669, 566 area for a bounce. That was like, that should be really good support right there.
You know what? I'm gone for 5 minutes. I'm gonna make a coffee.
Yeah, I just made mine. I'm gonna go pour it up in a second.
Not off stream. I just close the camera here and I'm back in a bit.
Alrighty. Sick background. Damn, I want a sick background. How do you do that? Oh man, let's see. Oh, I need to post this link. Share. Love it. All right. No. This looks like it's about to break right here. Where's my sessions? Not popping up. What's going on? bro, we are up there.
Hey Spencer, I just saw that there's streaming software. I think I'm gonna tonight I'm gonna check this. Oops, where we can combine our channels. There's extra software for it, which makes it probably much easier, and the quality should be better.
Wait, what is it?
It's like a streaming software that allows us to combine our channels, like to stream from what we're doing now, but without
like
using Google Meet.
without Google Meet.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Got
better.
it. Yeah, that whatever works better for sure.
Because for the ones watching, this is my second live stream, and it's your first live stream, I guess, on YouTube. So
Yeah.
we're still learning.
I have 0 participants.
Oh yeah, it takes time. I only have 5. Yesterday I had more, even though I didn't make an announcement that today I did. But
Oh, that's what I keep forgetting to do. I was gonna post on my story. That'll help. There we go.
but I prefer having not too many people at the beginning.
Yeah.
Then when we
Yeah, while we're getting situated and everything.
yeah. Because yesterday I tried it, and first I had a win, and then I had 2 losses. They were more or less according to plan, but then I got really pissed off and said, "Okay, I'm done for the day." I left, and then they made fun of me in the Discord.
Dude, I wish I was live yesterday because I would have been more accountable. I fucked up so bad, dude. Unfortunately, I ruined my streak, bro. I was on like a 11 or 12 day winning streak. I had 12 green days in a row, and I just destroyed myself yesterday.
Yeah, it's a classic. And that said, I'm done for the day.
It was just me and Jake in the Telegram, and I don't know why on Mondays when I'm antsy and it's just me and him, like I have no like accountability, even though I should just be accountable to myself, which I try to be most of the time, but it definitely helps I'm better under pressure. Like when you're there and I know you know how to trade and we got other people watching, like it just makes me perform better.
Yeah, same. That's why I used to have a Signal channel, because this made me somehow accountable for the trades that I took. But then I stopped it because it was so much pressure.
Yeah, I couldn't. That's why I like live, because it's basically like Signals, but you don't have to type anything, do any of that stuff. I don't really think that it's realistic, unless if you're a trader that trades with limit orders, then Signals can be valid. Or like options that expire like a week out. Okay, pretty solid. We got Nas over here. Boom. Yes, here. Boom. All right, guys. I don't know if. Oh wait, you're not doing the challenge, huh? I'm just doing the challenge. So I would deposit $100 into my account, flipping this $100. Not flipping it, really just scaling it. I'm not trying to do like 200% a week, but I'm gonna try to, at least make 50% on it a week, 50 to 100. If I can catch some big moves, and then scale this $100 to $1 million by Christmas.
I need to change the title of the stream. It should be 100 road from $100 to 1 million live.
Yeah, I should have changed. I didn't even think about that. I should have changed that too. It's not even 100 now because I traded news. It's $68. But I still, I have like $25 of room, so I have to get this first trade right, basically. Unfortunately, otherwise I hit the minimum margin requirement, and I'll have to deposit another 100. But I think I could nail the first trade and get this back up above 100, hopefully to 150. Just need to be very picky with my entry and get it nice. bottom or top. Most likely a bottom today. A little bottom picker. All right, I'm gonna go pull this out real quick.
Yeah, soon we have the New York stock market, no, New York Stock Exchange open. That's when the action comes.
Oh, good. So good. Oh, good. God damn, this is full. Has broke that trend line I marked out. Pretty nice, but just retraced all the way back up. Probably just to retest it maybe, but definitely. What time is it? Oh, shoot. 2 minutes. And we're live. Let's go. Okay, I don't need that screen. Basically, just gonna focus on this. Oh, I gotta log in. I'm in the wrong account. Hopefully these people can't see. Okay, there it is. $63, guys, or $65. We're scaling this baby. Trading micro. Yes. That was the first trade on news. Absolute. What the fuck? What was that? This was news. I'm so confused. Wait. It's not even in the right spot. Oh, that's something else. Okay. Not even showing the news trade. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right, the market is open.
Executions. I'm gonna turn it off just because it's in the way.
Yeah, it's too messy.
Yeah. Okay. Do we have any data coming in after open? Let's see. No, we're done for the day. Okay, good. We got a little bit of login speed. Not a big deal. Read. Yeah, I actually like that a lot. So this area that's been kind of resistance pre-market, if we show any type of like consolidation above it or support above this, that'll be another great like reason for me to get long. If we don't want to like make any big moves down first, I'll look for that because this is like pretty key right here. I like that. Oops. Oh my God, this magnet needs to go.
Yeah, I sometimes have a hard time if there's no real manipulation to the downside, and I know it's very bullish and I want to get in, but without the manipulation, I don't feel safe. But
Yeah, I wanted to see some new demand form above these highs, and then we can get in before it takes off. But other than that, nice sweep of the lows to join, and we should be solid. Let's see. There goes big FU candle.
So I'm gonna cover my camera. I don't like being watched.
I feel a little weird, but I want to get used to it. I need to get better being on camera. Fucking so awkward. I'm gonna keep this 5. NAS, we got ES on the 5 as well for now.
Looks like we're gonna get a manipulation to the downside. It would be beautiful.
Yeah, keep holding, rejecting this high. Today, I'm going to be an observer for the first 20 minutes. Lately, I realized right around 9 o'clock our time. I mean, I know that 9 o'clock our time is typically where the manipulation or reversal happens, and I've been missing it. Like when it's right in front of me, I don't know how. That was disappointing yesterday. It was so clean too, to the downside.
Oh, now I have this itch to enter because it forms a 5-minute FU candle. Oh, I need to.
I saw that. I know it looks clean. Off those highs. I mean, shorts.
This bad risk reward ratio, that's the problem.
Yeah. I mean, these lows, it kind of just swept these lows. Every single time it's came down, it's gone back up. This time, let's see. It just took out the low. Let's see if we get this, how this reacts on the 1 minute. Probably going to go back up. They never fucking didn't want to drop below this earlier. VWAP's right below too. Could potentially bounce there. Yeah, I definitely think this is the manipulation. And we're going to head up at some point. Either after VWAP, Tokyo bounce, or just from here after this sweep of these lows. And there it goes. There she goes. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Alrighty. All right, we just push back up and reject the 9 very nicely.
It would be perfect if you would take out the news low.
I already did.
Did it? On Nasdaq it didn't.
Yeah, I did. 730 low. Yes.
It didn't take it out yet. Now it's approaching it.
Really? Oh, you must be on. Wait, are you on Trading View?
Yeah, I'm trading view. MNQ1.
730 is showing me it's already below it. Oh wait, are you on M yet or MNQ or NQ? It might be different.
MNQ.
I'm looking at
Time wrong. Also.
I'm on NQ.
Huh? No, but the news low is where you have the Tokyo high. That's also the news low. Oh, I'm confused.
Yeah. But it just took out, I mean, it just continues ripping these lows. There's a low at 630 that's 19,743, and then the news low is 19,767, and then the low it just created is 19,758. Come on. Oh, I keep forgetting I gotta open this shit. FOMC's tomorrow. Sheesh. Might be getting another pretty wild price action day like yesterday.
Like if we have a permalong day today and it just runs up and up and up, and tomorrow in the morning too, and then FOMC comes, there's a high chance we get a massive sell-off against all expectations.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Because this thing at all-time highs is pumping and pumping.
Yeah.
He just comes out and FOMC spikes it again. That shit would be to the moon. Long-term investors are thrilled right now. Interesting. What is that? Okey-doke. Yeah. What time is it? We got 4 minutes to the opening range is done. Then we could probably get some sense of direction right around 9 o'clock. This thing should get going. So, dude, my ADHD is so bad. I'm fucking tweaking right now.
What is bad?
My ADHD.
Oh, you
I'm
have
like,
it. You have it too.
I'm clicking through all the tabs, like not focusing. I'm just like, it's so new to me. I'm just like, I don't know what to focus on, but I just need to focus on the damn charts. Oh my god. And I'm just antsy, but I'm definitely staying patient today. I'm excited. We're gonna get a banger. Not much to note right now. Still in the same little range. Very tight range. I love this level. That's like my line in the sand today. Get above the 5,720 area, 5,725, and show some type of strength.
Oh yeah, but now I can see that the stream is slightly delayed. Yeah. Now I can see it actually.
I got one viewer. Let's go.
I was peaking at 9 and then some left.
Yeah, I mean, trading's boring, bro.
Yeah, it is fucking.
How it be? Lots of patience, just sitting around, and then boom, you smack a fat bag, and you get paid. And then people are not patient to wait around for that. You're not going to be a part of it. Well, oh, that's what I want to check. So is your YouTube you, or am I in it too?
No, or maybe it was just for a minute or so. I thought it's delayed a little bit.
No, I was asking, am I in? Oops. I was asking, like, am I in the YouTube, like my chart? Oh, I am. I'm watching it. That's fine. Let's go. Let's get it, boys. Patience prevails. All right, we got this opening range completed. Looking saucy. Heading back up towards this resistance. See what we get. I'm trying to see current market structure. Bullish. Kind of got a break here. We failed to move above this high. Probably going to see sells. It's not really a break. It's a tricky area.
Yeah, it has to, like, there has to be a quite aggressive move before, at least for me, before I can go long. I need to have another manipulation to the downside. Not just one wick, it has to wick down several times.
Yeah, this area is not pretty. Price action is super choppy. Right? We'll see. Go back on the 5. Get it out. Man, I'm excited to be consistent and like present my work to the live YouTube channels. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, because you have been catching tops and bottoms every day.
It's been fucking wild. So I'm just like, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be a good experience. Excited to grow, get the name out there a little bit, just hopefully make some people money.
Yeah, share your channel link. Send it to me. I'm gonna share it in the chat. And with some luck, you get 7 subscribers today.
I need to like fix my channel, bro. It's not even like it's so messed up. My banner's like my old name, my picture's like old, like it doesn't even look presentable right now. But I honestly didn't even I should have did that last night. I completely forgot that it was all like that.
Here we go. That's what I was looking for. Another leg down.
Yeah. Two big old FU candles on NAS.
Everyone in the chat, please give this stream a like. I have only 2 likes. It's not enough.
Oh damn. Yes, just dumped a little bit.
Can you
Beautiful FU candle.
Can you see my screen?
No. I mean I can on the Google Meets thing.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yes, it's finally getting that push.
So now I'm interested in buys.
Yeah, exactly. Right off this VWAP on it, this is not a bad option. Where's my trading tab? There we go. One micro. Yeah, I like that VWAP. Not gonna lie, but potentially could still take this low out.
I took this FU candle short.
Short? I thought you were saying buys.
Yeah. I just took the short into the zone now, into
Okay.
targeting the news low.
I just not set it up.
But I'm looking for buys now, obviously.
Oh, that's what I got. On limit order. Yeah, I like how it's like back at the where this push initiated from, but it's just not enough. Actually, I'm gonna give it a shot right here. Give it a shot. Seems like every time we take out a low, we just rip back up. So see if these buyers got it in them. We get even like a 2-point push, I'm moving stops to break even. Just want to see a little push. We are at 1 point. Man, this thing's twitching, fidgeting. be cautious with this. This EMA is 9 EMA. You could easily reject it. Come on, bro. Oh my God, this thing just melted out of nowhere. Dear Lord. Right to my stop, and now it's pushing up. Well, that was invalid. Ooh, this thing's selling.
Wow. Yeah, but that's perfect. Now we have a real manipulation.
Yeah. I love when it taps into Tokyo. So that would have been the entry, a good entry. Definitely knew it was an early entry, but on the 1 minute, it was looking beautiful. Had these massive shooting star and just two massive reversal candles. And it just got eaten up to the downside, surprisingly. I did not expect that. Should have gotten out. I totally forgot I only have fucking $25 of wiggle room. I was supposed to win that first trade. Did not play it safe at all.
Now I'm gonna wait for an FVG inversion on the 1 minute or whatever FU candle that closed above the liquidity to go long. Now we have
Man, there's the tap in to Tokyo. Yeah, that was not a good move right there. I don't know. This thing's giving me like. This thing sells below this low. I think
long on Nasdaq. Now stop below the.
that's yeah. I like the longs right here. If we break that low, though, the last low that it made on ES or even on NAS, I think that this thing's going to melt. So now all of a sudden the longs are short-lived. Lord, that's crazy. Yeah, honestly, I like that. If it retests the opening range bottom and rejects, I think shorts are coming. But I hope it plows through for you. It doesn't reject. But we're right in this area. Because that was our key support for a while, and we broke through it off that opening range area. But we're about to find out right here. I would just be cautious with your stop loss. Set it at break even if you can. Yeah, 57.16 area. Sellers should show up. See, just tapped it. 57.16.
All right, I have my stop loss at break even on Nasdaq, and I take now the first partial 25%. But I have an amazing sniper entry, so
Beautiful. There it is. Nice push, bro. Beautiful. I love that. Right off the Tokyo. It bounced perfectly off Tokyo high. My Tokyo bounce play for the win. Yeah, it's respecting that previous support though. Shit, at least on you. It's 9 o'clock too, so this is where the reversal would happen, right around this time. If it is going to go up, it should be right now. We get a continuation. What the hell is this? There you go. Pushing back up. Love to see that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Come on. We get that high. Oh, I was going to say, if we reclaim that last high, we're good. But yeah, this thing, respecting the hell out of this area. Typical price action from Cree FOMC.
yeah, like stops at break even, it works. And most of the time, it doesn't work for me. I get stopped at a break even so many times.
Yeah, me too. It's fine though. That's why I love my new trading, like the way that I'm trading lately, like break even, break even, break even, small loss, massive 40 point, 50 or 30 point, 40 point winner. Like instead of just like I used to just hold 5 point loss, 5 point loss, 5 point loss, and then one big winner, and then it would be like almost equal to break even at the end of the day. Like, just need one big, nice little trade.
I survived this week. I'm still in, but a little bit lower in the amount of break even. So
The hell is that? No.
all right, I'm gonna close another 25% of my Nasdaq position.
Beautiful. You got that break of that high, that last wick, tapping into the 50 period right now. Next mission. Get up at those highs, baby. Oh my God, it's 12 points. I thought that was way more. That's crazy. Two. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's crazy. Just realized that. Yo, that was a beautiful push. Let's go.
Yeah, man, that's a fucking banger. Caught the short and entered the long. Perfect, man.
Banger, banger, banger.
But I only use 4 contracts, so I tend to be scared at the beginning.
If we push above this and get above this previous resistance and create some new demand, you can add up there and just hold for the trend. We're looking great though. That is an amazing push.
The thing is with futures, I have no idea how much I'm actually risking.
What do you mean?
Yeah, because I don't know my stop loss size. I just have these contracts because the candle size varies. I cannot calculate the risk. So
yeah. That's why I enter every trade with a 5 point and then I adjust accordingly.
Yeah.
But I'll never take a trade if the stop is going to be bigger than 5 points. It's just not my style. Dude, this thing. So my analysis was correct. Just timed it bad. Yeah, I got in at 57.16. Just needed to get in at 57.13, and I would have been chilling. Time did a little fucking early, and I knew it too. I knew it was an early entry, but
Yeah, I just always wait for this. I used to get fucked too there, but I wait now for when it dumps for it to form a bottom wick and then to take out the wick to the upside. It's like a micro break of structure to the upside, and then I wait for the lower wick to be taken out again. It's like I was waiting.
well, also if you look at where you like it created the Tokyo low wick. I'm looking at let me see if it's the same on that. Yeah, it's the same on that.
Yeah.
Nas hit the low and it pushed up and then created a higher low. That would have been an awesome entry too. Just waiting for that.
Yeah, there's my entry when it retested this.
Got it. Yeah, see, that's perfect. That was beautiful. Nas did it too. Wow, dude. This thing is ripping. Man. Oof. Just took out that news high on ES and just kind of swept. Damn, that was aggressive, but temporary. Let's see if we can push back up in the next 30 seconds. But yeah, this is the area I love for showing some type of support / demand. Just consolidation up here would be nice.
Consolidation, then breakout.
Yeah, exactly. Nine o'clock. What happens at 9? The market reverse. Literally. Oh my God, that's hilarious. It's too on point. Like, look at this. 9 o'clock On the dot. That was the rip up. Jeez Louise. Exact low a day. Holy smokes. ES is blowing Nas out of the water, bro. You should have taken ES. That was insane. I mean, we don't even have any levels either. You just kind of got to use the EMA on the 1 minute, I would say, to gauge momentum. Other than that, no target, just hold. Even the 9 is so delayed right now, though, because of how aggressive this move up is. That's why we need the consolidation, because it'll let the 9 EMA catch up. Dude, I love this. I love this. Beautiful day.
And I'm going to quickly change the screen I'm sharing. So just to show the chat that I'm not talking bullshit, here you see my executions. I went short here and here and here, 3 contracts. Then here I took profits. I took more profits. Then I went long. Here was my final TP, and then I went long here on this. I'm going to explain it, the trade. Here we had an FU candle. I entered after the FU candle. Then I entered when it retested the FU candle. And here I took profits when it took out the first liquidity, here the second liquidity. Then we had instantly had a close above liquidity, and we had this fair value gap which inversed. So I went long here. Here I took the first partial, second partial, still 2 contracts long. You can also see my balance here. Much better than yesterday. But now back to Spencer's screen.
Sit here if we even want to sit here for long, or we just rip. But it's doing exactly. It's not. It didn't sweep. It didn't dump. We're just maintaining. Love it. Another 20-point push would be sweet. Now it's getting a little FU candle on the 5.
Oh, now the people can see me here.
And on the 1 minute. I just got a 1 minute FU candle to the upside off of the EMA bounce. Yeah. There it goes. There she goes.
And transparent. Yeah, literally every day we traded live together. We even though I believe it's going to continue much higher, I'm going to take 1 contract off once it takes out the high from the New York Stock Exchange open. And then if a new setup forms, I'm gonna add. My promise that I usually don't take enough profits because I always believe it's gonna continue forever. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, here I could add actually. You see, when you start learning about trading, they always say in a trend it makes higher highs and higher lows. This is true, but in a for some time, but then it always takes out a low, like higher high, higher low, lower low, and another higher high. You always have to wait. Come on, give me another push. I'm excited when I have the streaming software and we can do it professional, like Don Wu did before he disappeared. Uh, he was a very famous live streamer and he did it every single day, very consistent. But then he had a PAM or a MEM account with 3 million. And I think he waited for people to deposit to a certain amount before he started trading. I think it was at $3 million, and then he started trading and he blew it within 3 days. He did several trades and now he just disappeared. He was a very transparent and legit guy, but he completely disappeared after this incident. Gone. Yeah, man, in trading, you can build something for years, and all it takes is one bad day, and you lose it all. Do I? No, but my arms are symmetric. That's interesting because NAS hasn't reached the all-time high yet. That's a divergence, no? Yeah, now we're in this range again. How did you call this last week? When it's just wicks up and down. Um, yeah. um, it took out the high again, and then it started going down, and we took the short, and it was very quick. Yeah, yeah. I would love to add, but I know if I add here, it's gonna rip down. So I just leave it like this. Yeah. But the 1 hour looks pretty bad, to be honest. 1 hour looks pretty bearish. It is. It is. Yeah, like someone asked, when did you enter this trade? I called it live. I said, okay, I'm gonna go long now on Nasdaq. But I was sharing the screen of Spencer, which is obviously very confusing. It's very new to me, this live streaming stuff. But we're gonna get this. We're gonna figure this out how we can do this because we want to stream together, but from he on his channel and me on my channel. But since we trade the same way and we trade, well, I trade Nasdaq, he trades ES, but they move very, very similar. It's going to work. So the goal is that we use a streaming software. I share my screen, you see my trades, and he shares his trades. But you're going to get both signals, both entries, but you're only going to see either his or my screen, depending on which channel you're joining. We're going to do this probably like 4 times per week now. And yeah, I want to call you, like make it as easy as possible for you to take the same trades like me. And you see, I have my TP here. I only have 2 more contracts open, so I'm going to close one here and I'm going to leave one without a TP just in case. I regret I didn't enter with more contracts, but it is what it is. And I was only trading CFDs before, like on MetaTrader, but now I'm trading futures. I really like it because I can trade directly on TradingView. It has some downsides you cannot hedge. It works a little different with the TP and stop loss, but overall, it's a huge benefit for me. And also, you don't get slipped, you don't have spread. Like on CFD brokers, you get fucked over all the time. Today, for example, one broker I'm still trading on a CFD broker. I had the TP, which was above the entry of the buy. And even though it hit TP, it was a loss. It's just manipulation. It's just unfair. On futures, this never happens. On my entries here. What I don't understand though is that when I take profits, it kind of shifts my entry price, which is very strange. As you can see, I entered here and here. Okay. Do you know why my entry price shifts when I take profits? So strange. Yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly. Someone in the chat says the price readjusts. Is it maybe because it accounts for spread or commission? I don't know. Because as you can see, my execution on the executions I entered here very low. That's also why I take partials because I'm so aggressive. I just enter without any confirmation. If I see a wick, I just enter when it's at the right zone, and then I take partials quickly. So even if it goes against me, I'm break even or the loss is very small because I already took a partial. There's always a reaction at every wick. Yeah, at these levels, you always have some kind of bounce. Yeah. You think it's going to sell off? Wait, I'm going to show everyone your screen now, so everyone knows what you're talking about. Just a second. Should be this one. Oh no, that's wrong. Oh yeah, that's correct. Yeah, like ES and Nasdaq are doing pretty much the same, only that ES is above at all-time highs, and it broke out of this level, and Nasdaq didn't break out yet. That's big divergence between these two.
Is it my screen showing or yours?
Now I'm sharing yours again.
Oh, okay. But yeah, I was just talking about this, the red zone from the pre-market. This is what I wanted to see us consolidate above. And let that pullback, rejected the 50 period right here to the exact penny and the zone. Still showing support above anything above right here. And these longs should be locked and loaded to keep going. Anything below this, probably going to head back down here, potentially melt. But loving it so far. This is beautiful. Exactly what we wanted to see. It's coming and testing it again. All right, there's the melt that I was talking about. Let's see if it actually sustains, though. Just took out that low right there. Looks like it is. 10 seconds left. Oh, buyers step back in. We are getting a shift, though, honestly. This thing's rounding out. The zone is super, super key. This little red zone. It's crazy how much this thing wants to dip. It's doing what it did yesterday. Just, no trend. Price action wonky. It goes from really smooth moves to super tight consolidations. This is probably going to drop, consolidate down here or something. I don't know. It's just these pre-news day price action. Like days, you got to kind of just take what you can get and be done. I would say,
Yeah, that's true.
catching that move from the low to the high up here would have been perfect. I'm not expecting much to come from these type of days. That's the best way to go about it.
That's why.
Because if we were gonna have, a really nice trend day, like a massive trend day to the upside, more than likely we would have got above here, consolidated, stayed above the 9 EMA, and just kept going. But we failed. We're sitting below the 9 now. Very, very lackluster to the upside. So best thing you could do is just take what you can get.
That's why I always take partials, because more often than not, it doesn't continue like directly. It comes down again and again, and then eventually later in the day you get this move which continues, but not every day. So I always partial.
Yeah.
Partial.
For me, instead of taking partials, I try to just identify what type of day it is based off how price is moving.
Mm-hmm.
Like for today, taking profits up here and just being done. And then on a day, like I said, where we can see the momentum is bullish due to us holding above the 9. Those are days you can just hold your whole position all day and not worry about selling. But I just use the 9 EMA on the 5 and 1 minute to gauge momentum. And that way I don't have to take partials or worry about holding on certain days versus not. But yeah, the show is over for now.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped at a break even on my remainder, but I took the short on a CFD account. I just entered the shorts breakout, already close to profit. I'm hyperactive.
Yeah. I'm just observing. Let's see. See how this 15 is looking. The 15. The shorts are definitely short-lived. That's for sure. Everything's getting bought up still, just very, very slowly. I don't like it. Drop below that support right here. We broke and retest this 1 minute trend line so clean. It actually worked out pretty well. Whoa.
There's so many people that laugh about people that use trend lines, but honestly, it's one of the things that works best, at least for me, especially in the smaller time frames. They're so perfect for breakouts. So who in the chat uses trend lines? Let me know.
What's up? What's up?
I just asked the chat, like on YouTube, who uses trend lines.
Yeah, I don't like. Sometimes I use it, to enter based off a breakout. But yeah, if we're holding up, got the momentum to the upside, EMA is holding, we got a clean trend, and then we see everything break. It's just another confluence to watch where momentum, market structure. Also, every time that a trend line breaks, most likely it's breaking market structure. So
yeah, true. Now we're getting here a 5 minute bullish FU. It didn't close yet.
Yeah, we literally just came back down and filled. Is this a 5-minute fair value gap? That's what it was. Didn't even fill it, actually. Surprisingly, we came all the way down. Didn't even fill this. Oh, beautiful move back up. The Bulls are in control. Like I said today, what was it? 67% chance of closing green, 66.7. So it's a pretty high number. When those numbers come in, they're usually right 90% of the time.
And I actually take the risk I'm going to add because I have a setup here. Yeah, I just took the risk and added another contract long on Nasdaq.
Up here? Well,
Yeah, after the close of the 5-minute candle, and it's also a 3-minute FU candle. But statistically, it has never been worth it for me to add. So
I was gonna say, dude, adding up here is scary.
yeah,
Because we got this little resistance.
yeah, I anticipate the breakout, or I also anticipate.
If it breaks this little resistance trend line thing, that'll pay for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, we just reclaimed this entire drop, so I think I mean highs should be able to be put in here in the next few minutes. Love to see that. But if this does fail to make a new high, we are now what the hell? We are now at a lower high. So lower low probably will come in. The shift has already started. We got the high break of structure to the downside. Now, in order to invalidate that break of structure to the downside, we need to put in a higher high. Otherwise, this thing's melting. Come on, bro. You got this. Hit the gas. Hit the gas.
Come on, do it. Breakout.
Here it goes. It's like on the trend line right now. On NAS. 3, 2, 1, go. To 19,830. There it goes. Come on, baby. Oh, NAS. Tweaky.
Yeah, the ad so far was beautiful. Buy high, sell higher.
Buy high. Yeah. Oh, damn. Look at it go. Let's go. Now NAS has more strength, and ES is kind of delayed, lagging. I mean, they're kind of in sync now, a lot better than before. But ES is slowing down a little bit.
Guys, you can see here, I'm quickly sharing my chart. You see, guys, I added here. I took the risk. I saw this 3-minute FU candle, and then I added here. It was a little bit a late entry because it was not a 5-minute one. I wanted to have a 5-minute one, which wasn't. And boom, just like this, my TP hit. You see my executions. It cannot get any more transparent, but I still have 2 contracts open that are break even now. I'm gonna close one more. Boom, I have. Why the fuck did this change now? I don't get it with these average prices. I don't get it. I simply don't get it. So yesterday I took one. I had 1 win, 2 losses, and today 2 wins, but with several entries. So in profit again. Yeah. But if it comes down here, I'm gonna add. I could actually have a buy limit here. I have 1 buy limit here, 1 buy limit here, and then here I just have my stop loss. Let's fucking go. And I also took this on a CFD account because I get bored when it doesn't move. We'll close out here. Boom. Boom. Wow, we have 11 people watching now. Guys, you're a little bit late, but you can see what the work that we did. But please give it a like. I have only 2 likes. That's unfair. So now I'm using this time to document my trades. Yeah, maybe one day we have an absolute revenge trading day, and then the session is recorded and we can watch it again. Okay, someone is asking, can you explain the stops and limits, like for this specific trade or in general on futures? Please elaborate your question so I can answer it. Okay, nothing. So if the question is why I have a sell stop here, it's because it's my stop loss. On futures, if you have a buy, in order to, like, if you have a buy, oh no, yes, why place those? are very simple. Here's a trend line. I believe in trend lines. It's above the EMA, and we have an FU candle. And here, that's my number one entry setup. That I wait for an FU candle to form, and then for the next candle to form a wick, and then below this wick, I have my buy limit. Also, usually at 50% of the body, I just split my entries within this FU candle in case it comes back down to retest and then continue to the upside. I use this a lot, especially because here has been a breakout, and usually when you have a breakout, price comes back slightly below the breakout level to stop everyone out who was at break even. Then my buy limits will get triggered. That's the explanation. Even though the FU candles have such a high fail rate, they're still absolute key in my trading. You need to know which ones to use. I'm going for a bit. Back in like 5 minutes or so. Jesus. Boom, break even, stop out with my last position. Please hit my buy limit. Please come down. Hit it. Hit it. Come on. Has to be here. Okay, I'm in. Yeah, I got stopped out at break even with my last position. Now my buy limit got triggered here. But I cannot trade for much longer today because I have to do something. I have to bring back a car. If I bring it back too late, they charge me another day for the rent. So yeah, come take the other buy limit too. All right, now I'm in two contracts. Both buy limits have been triggered. Stop loss is set, ready to hit it. I'm gonna add one more here because it's so low. And boom, stop out. I lost the last trade, but um I'm still up 567 for the day. So won 3 trades or so and lost one. Yeah. I always continue until I finally have a loss. I cannot stop with a win. I always have to continue. Like if I if I have a win, I cannot stop. I need to have another win, and I continue until I lose at least some of my profits, and then like, oh, I'm gonna stop. But it's funny, like how these candles that hit my stop loss are always so fucking fast. These are the quickest candles. I'm gonna stay for like 5 more minutes. I want to see like now that they broke this trend line if it continues lower. I'm not gonna take any more trades, but just to see. All right, guys, I have to hop off. I'm gonna call it a day. Um, so if you want, you can still watch the stream of Spencer, but I don't have the channel. So do you want to share your channel link? Great. Yeah, let's end it then. Yeah, tomorrow we might stream in the morning and afternoon. We'll see because tomorrow is FOMC. Um, I'm definitely going to trade FOMC, or I'm going to see. I'm going to be at the charts for FOMC. All right, thank you. All right. So thanks for watching. See you in the next stream tomorrow. Have a nice day and bye bye.